it's Elise and
Eric.
And it's groomonthegodogs.com. And here we have two of our dogs that we are about to give baths to in our grooming trailer. This is Rex. Rex, say hello. And Dakota. Pretty dogs. Pretty dogs. And they are about to get baths. And they need it.
Yeah.
These are some dirty Tucson dogs. Right, Eric?
Yeah. Look.
We just want to say, please check out our website, groomonthegodogs.com. It's new, and we're selling premium dog products and art. So please check it out. And the dogs will thank you. The dogs will love you for it. Isn't that cute? They kissed each other. Did you see that? They kissed each other. So,
Okay.
alrighty. Thanks. Bye.
Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.